Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add a countdown timer to Shopify homepage. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So here, as you can see, I have a countdown going on, and to incorporate it onto your homepage, you simply need to install an app called Essential Countdown and head over to that. Once you simply incorporate this particular app, you will be able to see various settings. So if I click on this particular timer that I have added, you can see we have all of these details to modify the timer. Then we have design. So if you want to change the colors, we can do that. We can incorporate gradient in the background, and we have various other color related options. Then we have placement. So where you want to place it, you can place it on your home page easily. You can add a custom position, add your snippet for your home, or you can add it on your all products or specific products, and you can select your products as well from this list. So we have 3 different products and on all products as well. So you can add custom positions as I told you earlier. So that's how easily you can incorporate a countdown timer to Shopify homepage. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.